everyone. Am I audible and visible? Let me know, then we'll start. Am I audible and visible? Hello everyone. Am I audible and visible? Okay, fine. Let me check. Am I audible? Check. So, hello everyone. Welcome to Unacademy with Dr. And today we'll discuss strategy session. In that we will discuss about strategy to prepare yourself for medical studies. I myself, Dr. Dipti Kariya, I'm MD PhD Physiology and I'm your faculty for Physiology. Let me explain in brief about our subscription. Okay? So there are certain announcements. Priyanshu, hello, good evening, beta. Welcome to my class. So here, NEET PG 2022 All India mock test that is on February 26. Certain announcements are there from our side. So please note all of them. Okay. So here you can enroll. We have NEET PG 2022 All India mock test. Okay. This NEET PG 2022 All India mock test pattern and questions predictive of main exam. Neetu, good evening, beta. Analytics to showcase valuable insights. These are the features. Okay. Solutions and options for the conceptual and clinical learning also will be provided. Also, along with that, we will provide you video solutions by India's top educator. Okay. So you can tap on the link and you can enroll. Another thing we have NEET PG with I'm preparing for NEET UG. Okay, then also it's fine. You will be my student next year. Hmm? I wish you will definitely be my student, medical student next year. Hmm? All the very best. Hmm. So, here on 19th February at 6 p.m., you have crack NEET PG with combat, that is for orthopedics, obs-gynec, surgery, and pediatrics. Okay? Enroll for that also. And top rankers, they can win exciting rewards. Okay? And 10 lucky participants, they can win Amazon gift vouchers too. You can, for that, this 15th, 16th Feb, till that we have 20% discount on all the subscriptions. So please use my code and you can get double discount. D10. So this code you can use and you can get 20% off on all the subscriptions. Okay. Let me explain within 5 minutes about the subscription. We have plus subscription in which you can choose the best from the best. You can access both live and recorded classes. You can study on the device of your choice. You can learn from India's top educators for your medical exams. You can compete in the live test and quizzes. You can access question bank, which is having more than 25,000 questions. Second is iconic subscription. Here your access to the best from two of the best. And which are these two? One that is Unacademy and Prep Ladder with Unacademy. All the features I have explained. And second that is Unacademy and Prep Ladder with Prep Ladder. Here you can have clinical and integrated essentials, video lectures from the Dream Team, question bank tree with active guidance system tags and more, rapid revision and snapshots and treasures in 2021 Dream Notes. These are our FMG December 2021 toppers. Also, there are schedules, different schedules are here. You can see on 9th Feb, this was already carried out. Okay, so these are on 9th, 10th, 11th, 13th, 14th, 15th. So these are our different schedules. Also, we have added certain features in our special class, made the class interactive and live. You can have facility of raise a hand. You can never miss a class as you are always notified for your class. You can get lecture notes, download the lecture notes, and you can access the class at anywhere and at any time. Another thing, we have also started NEET PG 2022 All Educator Revision Batch, that is for 3 months, and NEET PG 2022 Ultra Fast Revision Batch from 16th Feb, that is for 15 days. NEET PG 2022 PYQ Previous Year Question Batch from 16th Feb for 15 days. NEET PG 2022 Image Based Question Batch from 16th Feb for 15 days. Focus FMG December 2022 Comprehensive Batch for 9 months. Focus FMG 2022 Comprehensive Batch from 16th Feb. That is for 4 months. So here, as I told you, till 16th Feb, you have an opportunity to unlock the 20% off on all the NEET PG subscriptions. You can see these are the regular rates and these are the offer prices, and these are your savings. Okay, same thing here. Okay, so this all the subscription for Plus as well as Iconic, all subscriptions, they are at 20% discount. Okay, use my code and you will get this. Instead of 10, you will get 20% discount to 10. What is the advantage of subscription? That is, you will get one-to-one guidance. You will get your mentor. You will get direct contact with your educators. You will be provided regular follow-up as well as exams and all. So complete proper guidance is given. Again, these are, you can subscribe from your mobile, any of the subscription. Okay. This another announcement here is on 26th Feb at 9 a.m. you have All India mock test. Okay. Another thing for today's quiz, if you wish to attend the quiz, this is the way how to attend the quiz. You can go on the app, then choose take a quiz option and join a quiz, and this is the code, not this one. Code for today's quiz is this one. Neuromuscular junction quiz is there, and this is the code. Use this code 779777 and you can attend 10 questions from the topic of neuromuscular junction. Okay, so this is about the quiz. Now we come to today's topic. Okay, today's topic, that is strategy session. That we will discuss strategy to prepare yourself for medical studies. Okay, why this is very important? Because all of you have started your medical education. You, most of those who have cleared the NEET UG, most of them have admitted to some of the college, either medical or dental or physiotherapy or somewhere. Okay, so what is the advantage of today's session? Because whenever we are going somewhere, first of all, we will prepare ourselves for that. But here, when we are going to medical studies, so we must prepare ourselves. So today's topic, strategy session, that is to prepare yourself for medical studies. Okay. So first and foremost thing, that is congratulations and welcome to the field of medicine. Okay. If you are there in MBBS, dental, physiotherapy, or anywhere, you are in the medical field. Okay, so welcome to the field of medicine. Okay, so here you can say your next big chapter of your education, your career, and your life is started now. Okay, so you can say that it is exciting time for all of you, but it is also can be frightening. I'm not scaring you, just I am showing you the mirror. Okay, uh why frightening? Because if we are stepping ahead without any knowledge, without any preparation, then it becomes stressful. If suppose you are going somewhere at some new place, in some new environment, in some new atmosphere, in some new studies, without any knowledge, without any preparation, then what happens? Chances of having chances of having, you can say, suffering, that is more. Okay, so here, before going to medical college, I think most of admissions, first round of admission has been completed. Okay, but some of the colleges, they have started their schedule, and in some of the colleges the schedule has not been started. Okay, whatever, but now within a week or within 10 to 15 days you are going to get enter into the medical college. Is it medical or paramedical or anywhere in the field of medicine? Okay, so this is the stage where you must know where are you going and how to cope up with all the situations that you are supposed to face there. Okay, so knowing how to prepare for the first year of medical school and what to expect, it can help to relieve your stress. Okay, and make your beginning exciting adventure. Okay, rather than becoming it like a bad experience, like depression and all. Because we have seen, because I completed more than 17 years, 18 years approximately in the field of medicine. I'm teaching since last 18 years, and I have seen that most of the students, they have difficulty in the first year. If they can pass the first year easily, then second and final year will definitely be a very good journey. Why? Because in the first year they come to know how to study and how to cope up with the stress. Right, clear? So this is one of the very important things. If you know how to cope up with the stress in the new atmosphere, because the whole atmosphere is different than your school. Okay, so now today we'll discuss certain things that will definitely help you. So now here, how hard is the first year of medical school? Okay, let's get one thing straight, that it is not the complexity that medical study is very hard and very, and no one can do this, and it is not like to scare you. Okay, but the thing is, two things are important. Number one is the syllabus is vast. Vast syllabus. Okay, syllabus is vast, that is one. And second thing is, vast syllabus means, just I will give you an example. Suppose you have a chapter in organic chemistry. Some of the chapter is there, and that you are completing in 6 months or 3 months in your school time. More than that chapter, or you can say in 1 week in your college, more than 100 pages in each subject may be completed. And this year, maybe little bit faster. Why? Because your admissions are already late. Okay, so that one thing is syllabus is vast. That is one of the thing which makes your medical study difficult. And second thing is, you have always be that in touch with new things, because in the medical field new things are coming. So always be in touch with that thing. So these two things make the medical study hard: past syllabus and recent advances. Okay. Now let us start how to cope up. Our advice for the first year medical student. Okay, first year medical student, as a student, one very important tip from my side is, sometimes students, what they feel is, now we are in the college, now we need not to study because we wish to get admission in the college. We secured our admission, now that is final, है ना? And seniors are also telling, don't worry, once you enter you will come out of it. Okay, so this is the scenario. It should not be the attitude. Why it should not be the attitude? Because medical study is different than study of your other colleges, other colleges like science college or commerce or arts college. Okay, so here you should not leave your study pattern which you followed from your schools. So you should follow that pattern. And but one thing you have to add is, you have to increase the speed, pace. Pace must be fast. So that is, you have to add. And what the students are doing, they just get relaxed that now we got the admission and we will definitely pass the medical. Okay, it is not just to pass the exams in medical field, it is about to get knowledge. I told you so many times, and uh, s- uh, also I am telling you more and more times that this is here, we are not coming to get the degree, we are here to get the knowledge. Why? Because in front of patient there is no value of your degree. Your knowledge is valuable, and for that you have to study, not like to pass in the exams. You have to study in such a way that you can develop various skills. Okay, so this is one of the very important advice for first MBBS student. Okay, now next thing is, which are the challenges in the first year of medical school students they face. Okay, you can see here the process of starting medical school can be, as I told you, exciting as well as frightening. Hmm? As I told you, one of the course that is demanding course, huge course is there. Okay. Second thing is recent advances. I told you. Another more important thing is most of the students, they are staying away from their homes because they couldn't get admission in the medical college of their own city. Hmm? So that is also one of the challenge for certain medical students. Why challenge? Because you are staying away from your home for the first time. So the whole atmosphere is different, is it? So what happens? That you have to adjust to that atmosphere, and along with that, you have to study hard. So there's two factors. Some students, they feel homesickness. And they feel that they are away from the home, they are missing their home and all the facilities they were getting. Okay, they are not getting enough food. Huh? So many things, so many other problems are there. Okay, so along with studies, not only studies are the challenge, other challenges are they are staying away from the home. Okay. Hmm? They have to study hard, that is one of the important challenge. Okay, so these are the certain challenges because it is the first year, so they it requires some time for the student to get used to that atmosphere as well as the study. Okay, so these are the challenges. Another important thing here is in first year, as I told you so many times also, that whether you are in medical, whether you are in dental, in physiotherapy, in nursing, or homeopathy, Ayurvedic, in any of the syllabus, if you are getting admission, you have to study this physiology and anatomy. Okay, so in medical school, every medical college, we are telling college, in USA they uh, called it as school. So in medical college, the schedules are different. Some of the colleges are for the whole day from 9 to 5. Okay? Some of the colleges are morning colleges like 8 to 2. Okay? And students are engaged with the activities. They have to, they have anatomy day. So in anatomy day, they have to go for the dissection. They have to go for the demonstration. In demonstration, bones are there, soft tissue parts are also, they have been taught. Okay, anatomy is one of the study in which students are most of the time engaged in first year. They enjoy. Some of the students, they enjoy. It is not like that that is boring always. Hmm? In physiology, you have your lectures, theory lectures, and you have your practicals of hematology, practicals of your this clinical practicals. Okay, so you have either you are engaged for the full day or you have morning sessions. According to different colleges, you have this kind of study pattern. Okay, uh, so another thing is sometimes schedules are hectic in this year because syllabus has been started late. So medical council has decided that some of the syllabus, some of the foundation course that is to be completed in the weekends. So students may have to be there in the college during weekends also. So you may be very much busy in your next few months, for your next few months, because as I told you, the syllabus is vast and you have less time. Okay. So this is about something regarding medical college. Okay. Now, as I told you, difficulty faced by, we were talking about difficulty faced by medical students. Okay. So that is, as I told you, fast pace. Because why fast pace? Because time is short and within 1 year, this faculties, they have to complete that syllabus, and more demanding curriculum. Curriculum is demanding. Okay. So this speed may be increased because of this. Okay. Now, another thing, uh, along with that, you have to get skill, clinical skill you have to develop, because in new MCI curriculum you need not only to study your subjects, you have to acquire certain skills, like suppose blood pressure means, in that you have to acquire skill to measure the blood pressure properly. You have to acquire skill how to talk to patient. So these are certain skills which are required for you to acquire. Okay. Now, so another thing is, from second year onwards, you have to go to emergency. You have to go to look for the OPD patients also. Okay. So you have two kinds of things. One, that is, you have to study with the subjects, and second thing, you have to be in contact with the patient. So you have to balance this both the activities. Okay. So this is one of the very important thing that you learn to manage in the medical college. Okay. Now, so certain topics, certain solution for facing the situation or to decrease the stress. Okay. So one of the most essential aspect of successfully adjusting in medical college, that is, create your peer support group. Peer support group means your friends. Okay. Very important thing, whenever you are selecting your friends, select them properly. Why properly? Because if your company, I told you so many times, if your company is not good, it will definitely drag you down. Okay. Hmm? And if your company is good, then it will bring you up also. So this, everything depends on your company. I gave you the example also. Suppose if you have a fruit box, like a mango box, hmm, a box containing 10 or 12 mangoes. Okay. And one of the mango that is rotten. Hmm, what happens to the mango which is just besides that rotten mango? That will definitely get rotten. So that is the effect of company, and you don't know when you have changed yourself. So that is very important thing in the medical college. Hmm? Create your group, create such a group that in that group you can have healthy competition. One thing is, hmm, healthy competition. Hmm? One thing. Second thing, you can get the company to study. Hmm? Company to reduce your stress. For example, suppose if you are in depression, you must have your friend who will be there to support you. Hmm? So this kind of peer group you require to find, and that will definitely help you not only during the college time but also throughout the life, because we are human being and we require interaction, communication with good people. We require support, and for that we also have to be the support of the other person. So it is two-way relation. Okay, be the supportive and get the support. Okay, suppose if you are studying alone, you feel, hmm, you feel tired, you lost your interest. But if you two or three students are studying, sitting in a same room, and if you are not knowing some topic, you discuss with your friend taught you something, you taught him or her. So this way, by communication, you can prepare the topic well. That is one thing. Second thing, you can create interest in the study also. So this is one of the very important thing, that create reliable peer support group. This is not only for your studies, this is for any of the problem in your life. Suppose if you all are medical students, okay, you have a group of good students. From your group, one of the person becomes surgeon, one of the person becomes physician, one becomes anesthetist. So in future also, your group, as a group, you can help patients. So this is also one of the very important support, not only for you but also for the society. Okay, so this is very important thing, that what are the advantages of having peer support group? That is, you have, you never felt depressed, so no depression is there. Okay, you never felt stressed. Okay, whenever you have any problem, your friend must come and solve your problem or try to solve your problem. So that is also one of the very important thing that is required, because medical studies, they are very much stressful. Okay, so this is not only for the college but also throughout the life. Okay, next is, if for the first day, I think this is also important, because so many colleges, I think medical college have, most of the colleges have not been started just. Hmm? So tip for the first day, what is the tip for the first day? That is, first of all, get relaxed. First day of anything can never be racking. Okay, try to stay calm, go to the classroom, stay calm. Okay, and feel that not only I am going through this procedure, so many students before me and so many students after me, they will be passing through this situation. So that is one thing. Okay, don't get panic that now how will I study, I have everything left, short duration of time. All the students are very much intelligent than me. Okay, and second thing you can do is make some friends. I'm telling you again that whenever you are making friends, always be selective. Okay, Hmm? Those students, those who are studying hard, those who are focusing on the career, try to make a group of those students, so that helps you to enhance your career also. Okay, then focus and prioritize in class. Okay, most of the students, they get overwhelmed with the volume of the information, that on the first day. Hmm? Medical college is an overload of information, that is true. Okay, but it is not the thing that on the very first day you can cope up everything. So focus, whatever thing you have to do today, just focus. For the first day, try to keep up with the lecturer, review the material after the class. Okay, so focus on today's work, that will help you, and be regular in your work. That is also another important tip. Be regular in your work. Okay, why is it important? Because if you are not regular, what happens? You don't know, you are staying behind all the others. Okay, because if you are missing a single day lectures, then you are missing a lot of things which has been covered in that day. So if you are there in the medical college, leave all the other social attachments at least for one one year, first year at least. Okay. Huh. Or if you have some social and other gathering, try to attend them on your weekends or on the leave days. Okay, so that is very important thing. Be regular. Be regular in the sense, suppose some topic is taught to you today, try to finish the topic, at least one reading of the topic on the same day. That is one of the very important tip. Okay, if you will not do this, what happens? At the end of the week, you have so many topics to read, and at the time of the exam, you are just mashed. what to do you don't know. So very important tip for medical student is be regular. Don't miss a single class or single day. Because if you are missing one day lecture, what happens? You are missing so many topics. Okay? So that is one of the very important tip. Another is get to know your professor. That is also important tip. That how it is not like that on the very first day you just go and you just make a rapport with the professor. It is not a short term procedure. Okay, but what you have to do is be attentive in the class, so your professor will come to know you. That you just raise your hand, give answers. That these are all the tricks to know your professor. Then what happens? Gradually your professors, they start knowing you. They will know you by name, because they come to know that no, the student is intelligent, he is taking efforts, he or she is attentive. So this is very important. Okay? And you also like to study. If you are getting attention from your professor or your teachers, you also like to study. So that is also one of the important tips. How to get to know your professor? Simple thing is be attentive to studies, one thing, and be answerable in the class. Anytime when your professor or your teacher ask any question, try to answer. Don't hesitate it like that. If I am wrong, what will happen? What other students think about me? It is not like that. You may be wrong. Okay? So this is also one of the very important tips. To score good marks also. If your professor knows you, and suppose at the time of exam, because of depression and all, your exam or your practical exam was not as good, but still your professor knows that the student is good student, means that helps you at that time. So this is also one of the very important tip is be attentive during the class. Okay, and always try to give answer. Okay, then another thing is don't feel that this thing is impossible. There is very good quote that it always seems impossible unless it is done. Okay, so sometimes some students, they feel depressed that how can I complete my studies, this is a long study, vast study, this many books are there. Okay, they get depressed. It is not like that. Okay, material and all that will not, that should not make you depressed. Hmm? So this quote will be helpful to you that it always seems impossible unless it is done. Okay, and one important tip here also, always think that if other people, my seniors or other doctors could perform this, I can definitely, because we all are same. God has given same brain to all of us, and that is the only way to come out of depression. Hmm? Don't feel that you cannot do this. Definitely you can do this, because you are not coming from any other planet. You are here. We all are same. We all have been given same brain. All the organs are same. So why other student can study well and why you can't? That is just a matter of effort. What does it mean? You have not put proper efforts. That is the only reason that you could not score. So that is always, everything is possible for everyone. Don't feel like that I cannot do this. Okay, other student could perform good, I will not. This is never to be thought about. Okay. Huh. Now certain mistakes, seven is some of the mistakes I have already told you. Certain mistakes to avoid in the first year of medical school, as I told you. uh Amay Nayak, I am an introverted kind of person. I got a seat for BDS. Will I be a good dentist? Definitely, beta. Everybody is created by God. Hmm? And God's creation is definitely the best one. Hmm? Don't worry, all the best, beta. You can definitely be a good doctor. Not to worry. But the thing is, important thing is give your best. Then ask for the best. Hmm? Are you attending our classes regularly? Amay, let me know. Are you attending our classes? We are teaching here nicely regarding physiology, anatomy, biochemistry and all. Let me know. Those who are those who are listening me, just I would like to request you that you put your best and then expect. What we do is we are not giving our best and we are expecting that we should get the best. That should not be the proper way. Okay, first is we have to give our best. As I told you that please attend all the classes. No? Good, very good, Amar. Then nothing to worry. Okay, so hell. Okay, good. So, very important thing here I would like to tell you all is Adarsh, hello. Hello, ma'am. हाँ हेलो बेटा और REM क्या लिखा है पता नहीं चल रहा आदर्श सो very important thing here I would like to tell you the secret you can say that secret of the success very important thing is try to give your best and then expect the best. Suppose you have so many teachers, okay, but when I feel that I cannot teach good, how students will face my class, what happens in my class, if I start thinking about this, then what happens? Sorry beta Adarsh, no, I couldn't remember. We are professors, we cannot remember students, huh? Hmm? But still you are my student, that is enough for me. Okay, I love all my students. Okay, fine. So important thing here is today I would like to tell all my students one important thing. What is that is instead of blaming others, instead of depressing yourself, try to generate good thoughts. Hmm? That will enhance your performance. Okay. And if suppose if you cannot generate good thoughts, just stop thinking and start focusing on the studies. That is another option. Okay? I know that medical studies are a little bit tough. It becomes difficult so many times that you are stressed, you feel depressed. Sometimes you worked very because you have not started the studies, that then you are not very much used to the things. But we have seen that sometimes what happens, you have prepared very well, but your exams could not be as good as your expectation. This happens. Don't worry. You are not the only one who has faced the situation. So many people before you and after you, they faced as well as they will be going to face the situation. So don't worry. What is our job is to do your job properly. And if you do this, then you will definitely be successful. And there is one success mantra by me. Be regular, beta. All of you, those who are listening me, be regular. Be regular. How? Suppose if I am teaching one topic today, try to read the topic. Suppose in same thing is there, same thing is there for your college. Suppose in your college, in anatomy or in physiology, 3-4 topics has been taught. Try to read those topics on the same day. That is one of the success mantra I can say. Okay. And suppose Kolkata Medical College is good for MBBS. Is it government college, beta Sohil? Government college or private college? I don't know the exact full name. You can just hmm? Or better is you just surf on the net, beta. What other? Okay, then it's fine. Suppose Sohel, I will answer others also. Sohel, what I want to tell you is if you are getting admission in the government college, please get the admission, because now onwards NEET PG you have to give. Okay, so you are doing MBBS from any of the college, it doesn't matter. Okay, rather than going or wasting money in the private colleges, if you are getting admission in the government college, then it is the best thing. So hell, go for that. And you focus on your studies. Nowadays, online teaching is available, so not to worry much that suppose in some of the government college, because of lack of staff and some other problems, study is not that much proper. Okay, so but nowadays online everything is available, so better to spend that money rather than going in the private college. You just spend that money for your education, your NEET PG preparation and all. Okay, that's fine. Now other, you ask something, what other things apart from medical studies we can do? Okay, medical studies, that is the thing. Second thing is, I think last Tuesday's class I gave certain suggestions. Every day, one important tip I can give others. I think I told you before also that daily give 45 minutes for yourself. Means do the work which you like. Suppose if you like dancing, if you like piano, if you like guitar, anything you like, do that job for 30 to 45 minutes a day, and you feel energetic for the whole day. Why? Because you are doing the thing which you like the most. Don't leave that thing. That is stress relieving. Or if you can't find anything, if suppose you are in the hostel, you don't have anything, guitar classes, or you don't have whatever you like. Everybody has some hobby, you can say. Okay. So if you can't find anything, just go for a walk with music. Listen some good music for at least 30 to 45 minutes. And that definitely reduces your stress. Am I clear, Adarsh? Is it fine? So that is one of the important tip to reduce your stress. And what happens if your stress is reduced? Then you can focus on the studies. Easily you can focus because you are stress free. Am I clear? Okay, so that is this thing. So now we just complete our today's strategy, that is avoid mistakes. Important thing is don't skip the classes. Hmm? Why not to skip the class? Because you don't know which syllabus has been completed and which is left. Suppose if you have exam after 1 month and you have skipped all the classes, what happens? You are not knowing that what syllabus will be there in your exams. Okay, so what happens? You are not knowing the syllabus and that affects your result also. Okay, I am interested in learning stock market. Okay, but Adarsh, frankly speaking, I am telling you that the stock market is, if you are interested. But the thing is, as per my personal opinion, that till the age of 25 years, focus on the studies rather than earning money. Why I'm telling you? Because once you go to that track of earning money, then what happens? You cannot focus on the studies. So these two things are not possible at a time. Okay, so the stock market is not bad, but why you should not focus on that? Because it results in your loss of interest from studies. You can do it after your studies, they are over. Okay, so is it fine? Hmm. Rather you enjoy your life for this 30 minutes to 45 minutes a day. Okay, so this is, let us continue with our topic. Ah, so mistakes to avoid. Second mistake that is to be avoided is cramming. Cramming means ratta. So many students try to do cramming, but cramming is not very useful in medical studies because of the vast subject. You cannot cram. Okay, this is also not allowed. Okay, because you cannot cram this many things. Okay, so try to remember after your concepts. Conceptual reading is very important. Okay, then another thing to be avoided is self care, neglected self care. Don't neglect yourself, because to take care of yourself is your Adarsh, tomorrow I have my theory class. Daily I have my class at 10 p.m. I just give you my schedule to you. I will just give you on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at 10 p.m. Okay, Tuesday we have strategy session, and these are our classes. Okay, then Saturday, Sunday, and Monday we have special classes on the app. So this is my schedule. So you can attend, you can find me. The special classes are most probably in the evening. Okay, and these are at 10 p.m. daily. Okay, is that clear? And these strategy sessions are also important to relieve your stress, and you can enhance your study by this also. So neglected self-care, that is also very important thing. You should not do this. Okay, then taking on too much is also not. मैम आफ्टर एमबीबीएस क्या करना होता है, प्लीज गाइड. यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर एमबीबीएस बेटा आदर्श, or you are in the first year? You are in which year? Let me know. Hmm? 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 Okay. Yes, I am. Yes, I learned a lot from you. Okay, fine. That's my credit. Thank you, beta. Hmm. You are in which year? Hmm? First year, second year, final year? Adarsh, let me know, beta. First year. Okay. So, first of all, I will tell you that you focus on your studies. Okay? In the first year, try to finish your first year first. Don't make big goals. Make a small goals. Try to achieve them, and you will definitely find your way. Don't worry, because we have. It is my strong belief that we have good GPS. है ना? Nowadays, GPS is there. GPS that is to guide you whenever you are going through some unknown pathway. Is it? है ना? When you don't know that how to reach there, what you use is GPS. Here also GPS is, this G stands for God's pathway that guide us. Okay? So this is also there with all of us. So don't worry. Is it? Don't worry that what will I do after MBBS, this much saturation is there, what will I do? It is not to worry at all. Okay? Because if you secured your admission in the medical college, then it is good thing, it is the best thing. So many students are trying to get the admission, and you could secure, so that's a credit. Don't get depressed. Okay? So many students are like that. They think that after MBBS, what I will do? God has thought something. Definitely, God has created something for all of us. Don't worry. If I am in physiology, but I am doing my best, nothing is better than that. If I am happy with my, you can see, job, because I love teaching, I love to interact with students, all my students, not only you people, my medical college students, my physiotherapy college students, they all give respect and love to me. That is more than enough for me. Am I clear? So don't worry, don't take much stress. If God has guided you to reach to this destination, He must have something for you. Don't worry, Adarsh. Okay, fine. Is that fine? Don't take much stress. Hmm? Okay. So this is also, you are the example that taking on too much. Nothing is taken too much. Everything is fine. It is not like that. This happened to me. Why this happened to me? Don't, because this is your age. Sometimes students are taking things not lightly. That is not good thing. Okay, take everything lightly. This time will also pass. Don't worry. Okay, so do not take too much. Okay, fine. It's my pleasure. If I can guide someone, that is my pleasure, because God gave me the job to guide you all. Hmm? Hmm? It's my noble profession. I love to do that job. Okay. I wish you, all my students, will be like me, perfectionist, will be positive thinking every time. They are all are achievers too. Okay, that's fine. Then another tip is, don't focus too heavily on one area of medicine. Okay, because what happens sometimes, if you are focusing or over committing, then what happens? You lost your interest from all other things, and that is one of the cause for the stress. Okay, so this is also not good thing. Okay, then this is also not a good thing, that not having enough support. As I told you, find your support, whether it is your friend, your family, or your mentor. Like, mentors are mostly your teachers. Okay, find some support for yourself. If you are getting support from me, that then it is fine, you can ask me anything. So find your good support system. If you have a good support system, I think, I am sure, damn sure, that you will never feel depressed. Okay, so this is also very important thing, that have enough support from either friends or family or your mentors, your professors, teachers, and all. Okay, then never leave to enjoy yourself. Hmm? Get happiness from small things. Don't try to find happiness from big things, that I will score gold medal, I will score 100 on 100, and then I will be happy. Don't do like this. Try to find happiness from small things. If you achieved small thing, then also be happy. So this is also very important tip for the medical student. Okay? So this is all about today's class. Thank you. Thanks for joining with me. If you like this video, like, share with all your friends. I think this will be very helpful for all the students, those who are feeling stress in the medical college, in the medical studies, not only for first year, for second and final year also. So share with all your friends. Okay, and subscribe our channel, Unacademy Future Doctors.